CCTV. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission nakamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka Jingïakam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Usambut miturang ba kadzalaw ba sniaw bhalang Dhar ubadeiru National Vice President Jong NPP haga khandai tri ujambang aja punriu ula kentai ya ka khubor ba unang yalam ka Trinamool Congress Dr. Mukul Sangma ubalongru unang yalam ka liang persya penyaso sya ka NPP. Haga Jingkhang mikila pathai khubor uba Dhar ulo ongru ba hadu menta kampat don setia kanu-kanu ka Jingkhang but ongru ba ka deitang ka khubor hamsaya.
So now there is no communication to me. Officially, I don't know. So till today, there is no signal at all. So NPP is party is very flexible. We are welcome. Anybody who want to join it. No issue on that. No signal, and there is no talk also with the TMC leader. You see, sometimes political come together for the betterment of the state. Always in any issues. Does not mean that if they work with the NPP in Garul, so they will match NPP. That is not. And for the interest of the people of the state, so sometimes we as politicians, as a lawmaker, we have to work together.
Hey, up, ruko. Shwa fin shet da ka jo shi ka jo ko umpiang balapin don kam. Up shwa, namar ka ne ka kta ya ka kot ka kya jong fi, pat kamariang rukum jo. Da ka ba shet da ka ne ka umpiang, kan tau bonjat ki Jingkhang Henry pim day pat bante shanala ne bantang pendono Henry minta ka ruko ne ka repurpose use cooking oil scheme kala ban pen kala ya ka ne ka umpiang sya ka biodiesel tinamar kata limba ka ruko ka kot ka kya pat kamariang ru kan kta syo.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on Mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.